This is my trench trooper, inspired by World War One and World War Two British and German soldiers. He's armed with a bayonet rifle, a gas mask, heavy armor, a cape, and then a backpack that we'll have a look at later. I built him this little display as has become my custom for my customized minifigures, and I really like how he turned out. The helmet I used, you may recognize from some of my other videos, is actually a really old diving helmet. And at the back here, you can see he's got his shovel, a communications device, a pistol, and then just some supplies on his backpack. The backpack design actually was my favorite one. I originally designed it for a clone trooper, and then I ended up not using it for the clone trooper and just having it laying on my desk. And then I decided to use it for this trench trooper. I also like the color combination I used for the ground to make it look more realistic.